Hi guys, my friends. Okay, so I look crazy, but I'm getting numbed. I numb for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm doing Pelleve. Pelleve is to help like the wrinkles around my eyes. And Nicole will explain what that one's all about. And then I'm getting Vivace, and Vivace I think is just for like general cell renewal and collagen growth, and helps with those lines above my lips that I was talking to you guys about on my Instagram. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is Vivace. Excuse that. Oh my god, that's it. Hi, say hi. So this is Avani. Tell us what this does.
So Vivace is, as you can, if you want to see right there, so there's almost 36 different needles that are coming in and out, and the red light is actually a radio frequency.
Cool.
So radio frequency is going to help tighten the skin, help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and also help tighten and shrink pore size. Whereas the microneedling is going to help stimulate collagen and elastin, and that's really what gives us that young, plump-looking skin.
So I originally wanted to do it because, or Dr. Nazarian wanted me to do it because of these lines right here, like above my lips. So do you focus more in that area when you go there, or is it like especially good for fine lines?
So it's good for fine lines, and depending on the trouble area that people are most concerned with, we can definitely focus a little bit more love in that area.
Those areas, yeah.
And you know, there's the good thing about this is that you can kind of increase or decrease the amount of invasiveness that you want to do with this treatment. So if somebody's, you know, kind of tight on time or has a big event to go to the next day, they can still see a good improvement in their complexion without having that downtime that's associated with regular microneedling.
Right. Yeah, I've done this 2 times before and have never really had any bad reaction to it. Like I've been able to go out the next day and no one would ever know anything. So I was just asking what I should be looking for and when I should expect to see it.
So immediately after with Vivace, you should notice an improvement in your complexion. You'll notice you have brighter looking skin, but really the stimulation of collagen takes time. The reason we do microneedling is to help stimulate that cascade effect to occur. The best results after a microneedling session or even with Vivace are going to be seen at anywhere between 1 month and 3 months, which is why we recommend doing it almost every few weeks to kind of help continue that cascade.
Okay, so here's the after. You can see like a little bit of irritation around my skin. Not looking so great. But anyways, still not bad. Like if I went out in public, no one would be able to tell. Well, maybe those. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. Now I'm here with Nicole, and she is going to do Pelleve for under my eyes, so you guys can see like this is my real problem area, but you can explain more about what Pelleve is.
Pelleve is a radio frequency collagen and elastin stimulating treatment, and it's going to be it's non-invasive, so it doesn't puncture the skin, and we're just going to take this wand and then glide it across the area. It will heat up and then stimulate that collagen in the skin.
Awesome. So this is my 3rd treatment of this, right? 3rd.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes.
We typically recommend a series of anywhere from 4 to 8.
Oh, I didn't even know that. Okay. Okay, so this is after. Really not a lot of redness at all. Like, redness from Vivace went away a lot, and then now it's just like a little bit red underneath my eyes. It's Monday. I did the 2 procedures on Friday, so it's just been about 2 to 3 days. My skin is like extra glowy. I'm breaking out a little bit, but that's totally unrelated. Like You can see it's really clear. There's not much aftermath besides like a couple red spots maybe. But yeah, this is no makeup. So I'd say it looks pretty good. And we'll see in a couple days, I think, when it's really supposed to feel like good. Okay, hi. It's my 5th day. You guys, actually, it looks so good today. This is my skin with no makeup. I feel like it looks really clear, even skin tone. Still obviously some wrinkling here, but like I don't expect it to completely go away, but I really feel like the texture and the glow looks really good today. So, yay! So this is now a couple weeks after the Pelleve and Vivace. It looks so good. I mean, besides some acne there, which is just hormonal, the texture of my skin is really even. There's like little to no dark spots. The wrinkles under my eyes have definitely decreased, and it just feels really, I don't know, like just smooth. I highly recommend this. There is no pain, hardly any downtime, and yeah, easy.